It's the next thing in my birthday unboxing. They finally delivered my Vivienne Westwood. They just left it there. They didn't even knock. DHL, not impressed. There's the return papers. As if. As if. Oops. I ripped it. Okay, good they stuffed it. Stuffed it real good. Oh, it smells new. Ooh. Oh. It's the next thing in my birthday unboxing. The reveal. The reveal. The reveal. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I can tell. Oh my god, I love it. I can see. Ooh, it's a thick chain too. I can see why people love Vivienne Westwood, honestly. The jewelry. Oh my god. Okay, how do I get this beast out? Oh my gosh. I'll have to do more shots of it after. Thanks for watching my quick unboxing. If you're interested in a more thorough review of the necklace, drop a comment and put a space-themed emoji if you've made it this far, like a star, planets, whatever. And I'll see you in my next video. Better late than never.